In this tutorial, I'm going to try creating an evening sunlit effect using mainly the selective edits in Lightroom Mobile. First, I'm going to do some basic tuning, starting with just a little decrease in exposure. Reducing the highlights for more details in the brighter parts. Increasing the whites for some pop in the brightest parts. Reducing the blacks for more contrasty look. Now a bit of color tuning in the HSL sliders in color menu mix. Sliding the green hue slider towards right to make the colors pop a little. Also some saturation. Not disturbing other colors here, but adding overall vibrance and a little bit of saturation. Next, for more interesting stuff in selective edits or local adjustments. Here you can find the brush, radial and linear filters. First, choosing the linear filter and dragging around the background here. The red mask you see is where the effect takes place. Below are the menus with sliders which can be tuned for these filters. So for this linear filter, I'm going to reduce the haze by dragging the dehaze slider towards right. One on top of the sky, gonna make it more dark by reducing the exposure. Three more around the left, bottom and right to make them a little more darker. Now to create a sunlit effect, I'm going to use the radial filters. Placing the first here where I need to create the effect. I'm going to drag these points to make it bigger. And increase the highlights and also the whites to make it more bright. Also adding haze by dragging the dehaze slider towards left. Now I'm going to duplicate the filter by long pressing on it and selecting duplicate radial gradient in the options below. With the same settings, I'm going to reduce the size of it to around half. And reduce the highlights and whites as it is too bright after duplicating. Going back to the original, increasing the temperature to make it more warm. Doing the same for the new gradient. Duplicating this again and reducing the size to make the light source more seamless. Going back to the bigger filter to make it more brighter. Also adjusting other filters accordingly. Couple of radial filters on these tea leaves to make them pop. Here I'm going to increase the whites and decrease the blacks. Duplicating to make one here on the left. One around the middle, removing haze a little for more clarity. Next, going to the split tone in the effects menu. Adding a hint of orange to the highlights for more color. So here's the final result. Thanks for watching.